Ready for this?
No.
Moment of truth. Are you freaking... Yeah, Dad. Okay.
Wait.
What?
Where did you get it? Did you find it when you got home?
What?
Did you find it when you got home?
Yeah. No, my dad told me.
Oh.
Yeah, and he's all like, oh, your package just came in. I was like, oh, okay, for sure.
Did you get excited?
Yeah, man.
So you said you're gonna record
Ready
this,
for
you liar.
this? I'm ready for this. Okay.
What?
I'm ready for this. Moment of truth right here. Moment of truth!
You definitely said you're gonna record this. You're not doing it.
Wait. Oh, there's sparkly stuff.
What? What's sparkling stuff?
There's sparkly wrapping.
Oh my god. Wait.
Hey! Wait, it's
You have to read the
fucking
letter.
small.
Or it won't be the same.
Okay. So, I got a wrist thingy, like a bracelet, right? It's a bracelet. It's a bracelet that...
He said she wrote you something.
What?
He said she wrote you something.
And then I got a snow globe from JCPenney. It's a Disney snow globe, so like, hold up. Oh snap! Moment of truth. Moment of truth, part 2. Let's go.
You better not be recording this. I swear to
I'm not.
Are you?
I'm not.
Okay. Vanessa, like, what are we saying?
I'm not saying anything. By the way, I like the snow globe.
Yay! Are you excited? You finally got it.
Yeah, I finally got it.
How do you
Okay.
feel right now?
Number 2, letters. Alright.
Did you not write you one? She just said she
Machu, read this prior to reading Mario's letter. Okay.
Wait, what?
I think. Oh jeez, this is so late. But let me start off by saying hi. My name is Janelle. I'm Mario's cousin.
Oh my god. You can't be doing
Nice to meet you via package due from my post office being dumped. This is late, but enjoy the gifts my lovely cousin has sent you. Please take care of my baby
Oh my god, what a fag dude.
Pinson. Thanks, Janelle.
You have nice ass handwriting.
What?
You have really nice handwriting. Ow.
She writes like my sister. Okay. Ready for this? Moment of truth, part 3. Read this before you start digging through your presents. Too late. Too late. Alright.
You have to like read it while you're opening it. You know?
Matthew Carlewin.
Oh my god.
Hi, babe.
I
Well,
have ugly handwriting. You can't do it.
shut up. I'm trying to read.
I'll beat you.
Just kidding. But yeah, hold up. Hi, babe. Well, I'm glad you finally got your package after so long of waiting. I'm going to explain why I got you each present. Well, number 1, the snow globe, right? You said you wanted snow, so I got it for you in a more unique way.
Okay.
Okay. Bracelet. I made you it so whenever you're feeling upset, Shh! Shut up! I'm reading it. Bracelet, I made you it so whenever you're feeling upset, I hope you look at it and think of me. Maybe,
Oh my God, I'm so gay.
it'll. Shut up! I'm still reading.
Why did
Maybe it'll
you can call me
make you
late
feel better.
forever
Happy
now.
face. Oh, by the way, it's kind of messed up. Sorry, but ox space. Okay, but anyway.
Oh my
But
God, I'm a retard.
okay, but anyway,
It doesn't feel funny because I was at the shower and then I had my phone ring.
shut up. Okay, but I tried my best. In order for you to wear it, you put it on your wrist, then tie a knot with the 2 strings, then BAM!
Did I write that?
Yeah, you actually did. You'll have shut up. you'll have part of me wherever you go. Heart. Well, fail heart. Okay, and last, Bull's hat. You have a collection of hats, and I know you love the Windy City. Winky face. Haha. So you can even cover your ears. It's a 2-for-1. LOL. Alright.
Am I funny?
Yes, you're funny. But I like it.
Do you think
So
I'm
yeah.
funny or something?
Yes, you're cute. Okay.
Did you not believe that I was actually sending you something? Because
I actually didn't believe it. Like, to be honest with you, I actually didn't believe it.
What?
I actually didn't believe it.
I don't lie.
2-for-1.
I'm not a
LOL.
liar. I am the truth.
Shut up. Okay, anyways. Happy birthday. You're the reason why I'm always smiling. Thanks for
Oh my God, you can't read it out loud.
Thanks for what's it called? Thanks for being here when I needed you, and remember your big surprise this summer. Hang in there with me, okay? Love has no distance. Remember that too. I love you always, Ariel Emma. August 18th, 2011, the day I finally called you mine.
Why?
Aw,
Oh my God.
aw. I'm saving this shit. Alright.
What?
Where's my Bulls hat, nigga?
What are you talking about?
Hey! I'm gonna sell it. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
Am I junior?
Yes, you're really cute. Okay.
What? Yay.
Wait, hold up. This is 8 minutes long. God damn.
What's 8 minutes long?
I was recording it for 8 minutes.
You were recording? I thought you weren't. Oh my God. Where's this video going?
YouTube? Of course.
You were reading the letter out loud? Say like.
But I like the hat. So it's okay.
Yay! I'm successful.
Yes, you are successful. Now say goodbye to the camera.
What?
Say bye to the camera.
Me?
Yes, say bye.